Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today what we're going to do is we're going to get some metadata from a file. So I've got a text file on my desktop. That's where the file is situated. I've created a scalar variable called path, and that is the link to my desktop path. See users mark desktop. Your desktop path is going to be different to that, so you've got to find your own unique desktop path. And then what I've done is I've used chdir here, which is change directory into that path. So we'll be in that path. Now I've created a subroutine called getMeta. I've used the print command to enter a file name. I've used the chomp and created a variable called myScalarFileName. Assigned it to standard input, so this will get the user input that they type in up there. Now I'm using the conditional if to do an evaluation. I'm using the E here, and this means exists. So if exists, this file name that I've typed in here, we're going to print out a message. So we're going to print size to the user, and we're going to use this flag here, an S. So this is going to get the size of the file name, and then we're going to print out bytes here and a new line. Then below it we're going to print modified, and we're going to use the scalar here and the local time and the stat and the file name and a 9 here. So the local time here converts it to a readable format, and the local time also gets the time data. Or else, if that's not the case, we're going to use else here. So we're going to use the print command again to print out the file name and tell the user the file name has not been found. Okay, now to actually call the program, we type in its name here, which is getMeta. So let's run this. Yeah, I think the name is test.txt. Hit enter. Okay, so it's got the information. So it's got the size of the file, which is 14 bytes, and when it was modified, which was today. So there you go, folks. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that, and remember, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit the subscription button below. Give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.